Hi all, Paul Zalesak with Leather Wranglers here. And I just want to introduce you to our latest member of the Leather Wranglers family. We bought a Tormac 15L Slant Pro lathe at New Year's Eve last year. Rosa and I had to make a big time decision to get you guys product a little quicker and meet the demand and give you a better product. So we decided to purchase this thing. It arrived January 10th of this year, but we were waiting on parts to get it running all the way until April, and up until now, like today, on other stuff. So I have to give a big shout out to a few people here. First, I want to thank Lawrence Simons from CNM Community College. Me and him used to teach together, and he came over and helped write the program and got all the programming done, and it's running perfectly. And then I have to thank Tom Lippman big time for getting me connected with this really cool plumbing stuff here, this lock line stuff. It's really great. And then another big shout out to Steve Tucker, who represents Hangsterford Coolant, and he came over on Saturday and brought me a 5-gallon jug of Hangsterford coolant with a refractometer and gave me a whole coolant lesson and everything on that. So now I know how to handle the coolant. So we've got the machine programmed, it's running, and we're making parts. You want to see it? Here you go. Oh, and by the way, I do have a part puller that we can make it do automatic part pulling, but for right now, I'm the part puller. Is that the coolest ever? Clear coolant. It's not all milky and ugly, it's clear. How cool is that? Isn't that the neatest plumbing you've ever seen? Man, I just love the way it lined up so perfectly. And I've got lock line on all my machines. I've got it on my mini mill and my little mini lathe, and even on my engraving machine. I got a router, CNC router, and I use it to run air through there and blast off the little brass shaving. So lock line is like it for me when it comes to plumbing. Too cool. Okay, we're going to pull the part again here real quick, and then we're going to go to the knurling cycle. Here comes the knurling cycle, and we're bringing perfectly pointed diamond knurls using a little machine shop knurler off my mini lathe. No big buck knurler here. Okay, and we got about 25 seconds left to go. We're going to face and part the tool, and then we'll be ready for the next one. Here it comes. Three, 2, 1. And there you go. 3 minutes and 25 seconds later, a perfect little SKB barrel. Thanks for watching. Bye.